Tired of endless scrolling to find that perfect online course? Let's dive straight into finding awesome courses right inside Telegram. First things first, open your Telegram app. You'll see a search bar at the top, usually right below the Telegram logo. This is your best friend for finding courses. Tap on the search bar and type in keywords related to the course you're looking for. Be specific. For example, try typing free courses, online marketing course, or even a specific subject like calculus tutorial. Telegram will display a list of channels, groups, and bots that match your search. Take a moment to quickly scan through the results. Pay close attention to the names and descriptions. These give you clues about what each channel offers. Once you find a channel that looks promising, tap on it to enter. This will open the channel's chat window. Now, browse through the channel's messages. Look for announcements, pinned messages, or files containing course materials. Channels often organize their content logically, so you might find a welcome message explaining the course structure. Pinned messages are your secret weapon. Channels frequently use them to highlight essential information like the course syllabus, schedule, or access links. Look for a small pin icon at the top of the chat. Many channels share course materials directly as files. This could be PDF documents, presentations, or even video lectures. Simply tap on the file to download and access the content. Another useful trick is searching for Telegram bots. Some bots are specifically designed to help you find courses. Type Course Finder bot or similar terms into the search bar to discover these helpful tools. Remember to experiment with different keywords and variations in your search terms. The more specific you are, the better your chances of finding exactly what you're looking for. Try learn coding, data science tutorial, or anything else that matches your interest. If you want to narrow your search results for specific types of course, you can use search filters in Telegram. These filter results by group, channel, or people. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll be navigating the vast world of Telegram courses in no time. Happy learning!